we work with Indian markets, with apples, of course. We work like 2 years. Will be like the second season is after us. Now this year will be the third season with apples. But in 2017 we discovered that Indian market is really, I mean, there are huge possibilities of showing, of selling other Polish products, and this was an idea for us to create something like I will name it consortium of another Polish companies, Polish producers. Like we have glass, we have pasta, we have some sweets. Big Basket in India, they asked us to do more. I mean, to offer more Polish products, and being to India a month before, I see that it's something great, and it's something which can be very fruitful for us. At the moment, well, we tried with. I think this is the future, because if we start with India, if we develop these brands on Indian market, it will be easier to start with other Asian countries. I can tell you with China, but with China we do only apples. As well juice, apple juice, not from concentrate juices, like cold pressed juice. So this was, but this is like a product of apples. And I think it's if we start with this new products, it will be easier when first we concentrate on Indian market and then we go further.